What's up, everybody? Rod King here. Today we're gonna make that second modification to my Yamaha Raider. Today we're gonna go ahead and remove these bars so we make way for some new ones. Alright guys, hope you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and ring that bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Alright, stick around guys, we got some work to get done. Let's get it. Alright guys, so welcome back. Got a little cold out here, so I had to go ahead and put on a hoodie. Got my heater right here, blowing a little hot air on me. Alright, so we're going to replace these bars. And already I've already run into issues. I'm going to be removing the mirrors anyway. So I went to remove the right side mirror, and it just snapped off. It's just completely snapped off in it. So not too concerned about it, because I know I have some heat that I can take it out with once I get everything broken down. But I'm going to take my time. It's my first time doing this. Just stick with me, guys. Enjoy the video. Again, like and subscribe if you guys enjoy what you're seeing. So I'm going to go ahead and take these, take this brake lever off now. Find a screwdriver. You guys who live in colder areas, I'd love to know if you guys got any modifications planned. You know, for the off season, while we're not riding. I'll take that out. And a lot of these things, man, be honest, I probably don't have to take this stuff off, but I'm used to, you know, when I'm working on things, to take my time and, you know, take things apart. Because usually, if you don't take everything off, it always results in you just wasting more time when you just took it off from the beginning. And probably more organizational skills. Not the most organized either. I just tend to lay things down when I'm out here working. So now we're going to go ahead and remove these bar ends. So there's a little plastic piece that goes on these bar ends. Just pop it out with a small screwdriver or a pick if you have it, and you just turn it off. I already pre-loosened it, so you just turn it off. Pretty simple to come off, man. Just like that, it's out. I think I used a, tell you right now, on that bar end, the hex head 8, exactly what I used on both sides, and just came right out. Alright, so now we got the brake lever off. I want to get the throttle housing off, so I can, you know, just have this stuff drape over, because I'm going to replace the grips anyway. Get more grip, so I gotta get these 2 Phillips head screws out and go from there. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm a little unorganized, but stick with me. See if this works. Got a Phillip. See if this works. I'm telling me it has some issues. Ah, there you go. That's the bottom. I don't want to take it all the way out. Just get it loose enough. Alright, that's the top one. 2 Phillips head screws. Got them loose. Alright, I'm going to the other side. Those are loose. Go to the other side. Do the same. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this top clamp so I can get the bars to hang over as soon as I find the right size that I need. Is another hex head bolt, another hex head bolt. So let me find another socket for it. I may not have. Might not have it. This job might be dead in the water already. Son of a gun. Dang. Okay. Alright guys, so here's an update. As you know, I'm going to be replacing these bars with some custom made T-bars I have. So, I made a little progress. I got the hydraulic pumps off and everything. The hoses out. They're off the bars. However, I need to take the tank off to access the cables that run through the bars. They're going underneath the seat and disconnect those wherever they are, so I can get the cables out of the frame, out through the triple tree, and everything like that, so I can remove everything. I'm not going to do that tonight. Again, this is my winter project. This is what I'm going to be working on. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to figure this out so I can get the new bars mounted. Yeah. So I mean, it's a learning experience. I'm checking things over. You know, making sure things are okay, making sure I take my time and really focus on what I do. That way I don't lose anything or mess anything up. I'm also replace any bolts I take off. I replace them, put them back. So anyway, next step, I know I have to remove the chrome plastic cover that's on top of the gas tank, so I can access the bolts under there, so I can get the two top bolts that's holding the tank to the frame, and get the two out the back. So make sure I get that done. So yeah, that's the update for now. Again, guys, like and subscribe. Stick with me. We're going to have some fun this winter. There's going to be a lot of wrenches turning, a lot of swear, a lot of curse words, and a lot of beer. So stick with me, guys. Peace.